Hello and welcome to Easy Steps Cooking. Today I will show how I prepare this pizza with gluten-free flour. Let's go to check the ingredients. So please remember, before we start, thumbs up and subscribe to support the channel. And now let's go to the recipe. I have here the cheackpea flour. I will add the salt and the pepper. If you don't like pepper, just salt. And I will put in another container to add the water and the olive oil. 2 or 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and now we can mix everything. We need to mix very well until we have something like this. This is a more liquid pizza dough than the normal pizza, but it looks great and very tasty. So now I will put olive oil in a mold and we will heat in the oven between 5-10 minutes. And I will prepare all the other ingredients. I have the half onion, the cheese, the mozzarella cheese, and the spinach and arugula. Now that the mold is very hot, we will put the dough here. And we are going to spread over the entire surface of the mold with a spatula, like this. And when it's ready, we will cook this in the oven for about 5-10 minutes. Be careful because it's hot. 200 degrees, about 210 degrees. Okay, until it's like this. Now the dough is dry, we will put the tomato sauce, it's okay with 4 or 5 tablespoons, and I will put also the onion, the half onion, on the pizza. Also a little bit of salt, because this onion is sweet. Okay, then we will cook other 5-10 minutes, and then the mozzarella cheese, and now we will go to the oven again until the mozzarella cheese is melted like this. And to finish this recipe, I will put the spinach and the arugula, and that's it. We have this delicious and tasty pizza with cheackpea flour and gluten-free. This is a tastier and healthier dough than traditional pizza. And remember, please, if you like this recipe, thumbs up, subscribe and comment to support the channel, and see you next video. Bye bye.